With this video, we're going to integrate ln x. The first thing we need to know is the integration of ln x does not equal to 1 over x. 1 over x is the derivative of ln x. So how do we integrate ln x? We use integration by parts. And the formula of integration by parts is v times u minus the integration of v du. To use the integration by parts, we need a product. So how do we make ln x into a product? We can multiply 1 times ln x. The next thing we need to know about integration by parts is we're gonna differentiate one of the parts and we're gonna integrate the other part. So we're gonna label the parts. So we have u du v dv. With guess and checking and experience, we can make an educated guess of labeling the parts. So we're gonna go ahead and put ln x into u. And we're gonna put 1 into dv. Like I said before, we need to derive one of the parts. So we're gonna derive ln x, which is 1 over x dx. And we're gonna integrate 1, which is x. So we're gonna put the parts into the formula. So we have v, which is x, and we have u, which is ln x, minus the derivative of v, which is x, du, which is 1 over x dx. So we're gonna multiply x times 1 over x. Which is x over x, which is 1. So we have x ln x minus the integration of 1 dx. So we're gonna integrate the 1. So we have x ln x minus x. We're gonna add the constant for all non-definite integration. And that is it. To check our work, we could differentiate our answer. So we derive x ln x, and we derive x, and we're gonna derive the constant. So we notice that x ln x is a product, so we need to use the product rule to differentiate them. So the product formula is f prime of x times g of x plus f of x times the g prime of x. So we're gonna label our parts. So we got f of x is equal to x. We're gonna derive the x, which is 1. So we got g of x is equal to ln x. We're gonna integrate ln x, which is 1 over x. So we're gonna put the parts into the formula. So we have f prime of x is equal to 1. we have g of x, which is ln x, plus f of x, which is x, and we have g prime of x, which is 1 over x. So we're going to simplify the formula. Multiply 1 times ln x, which is ln x, and we're going to multiply x times 1 over x, which is 1. We're going to derive x, which is 1, and we're going to derive a constant, which is 0. So we're going to combine like terms so that 1 and negative 1 is going to cancel. We're going to end up with ln x, which checks out.